Chat GPT made easy. Hello, and thank you for visiting New Tech Made Easy. This morning, we are going to have a look at Chat GPT. What exactly is the Chat GPT protocol? The artificial intelligence (AI) system known as GPT-3 was developed by OpenAI and is quite powerful. Natural language processing (NLP) is employed for it to comprehend human discourse and produce appropriate replies to it. You can automate laborious jobs with the help of GPT-3, such as scheduling, providing customer assistance, and data analysis. In this video, we will go over the various ways in which you may simplify your life with the help of Chat GPT-3. What exactly is this Chat GPT-3? Natural language processing is made possible by the ground-breaking artificial intelligence (AI) technology known as Chat GPT-3, NLP. This technology, which is powered by AI, can learn how to communicate with humans by understanding the context of their talks. It is programmed to comprehend normal language and respond appropriately to it when it does so. Users will find it much simpler to communicate with their PCs while using GPT-3 thanks to its increased features. The generative pre-trained transformer GPT-3 model that OpenAI developed serves as the foundation for Chat GPT-3. This model has been trained on billions of different bits of text, which has resulted in it becoming extremely powerful and capable of comprehending complicated sentences and circumstances. The ability of GPT-3 to understand and respond in natural language is the key advantage of employing this technology. Take, for instance, the question, "What's the weather like today?" as an illustration. Through careful consideration of the surrounding circumstances, GPT-3 will be able to deliver an accurate answer. Users can engage with computers in this way, and they do not need to learn a programming language or comprehend the complexities of natural language processing to do so. Chat GPT-3 can also be used to develop more advanced chatbots that can provide information in more detail or carry out activities. You could, for instance, use it to construct a chatbot that assists you in finding local companies, booking flights, and placing food orders. In general, it is a highly effective technology that simplifies the process of interacting with computers for its users. Its enhanced features enable more natural discussions between humans and machines, and it may be used to develop complicated chatbots that can assist make day-to-day activities easier to accomplish. In what ways might Chat GPT-3 assist you? The fact that Chat GPT-3 can provide you with unique recommendations and suggestions depending on your tastes is one of the many wonderful features of this program. If you have an interest in health and fitness, for instance, it can make suggestions for you on nutritious foods and exercise regimens to follow. In addition to this, it can provide information on forthcoming events and activities that might pique your interest. Automating routine responsibilities, like setting up meetings or placing grocery orders, can free up more time for you to do other things. You need only request your virtual assistant to organize a meeting on your behalf, and it will take care of everything else. In a similar vein, if you want it to order groceries for you, all you have to do is tell it what you need, and it will take care of everything else. It is also possible to use it to provide rapid and correct answers to questions. GPT-3 can deliver the answer to any question in a second, whether you are looking for local weather predictions or recommendations for the best restaurants in your area. Last but not least, it can assist you in remaining organized by keeping a record of your appointments, tasks, and other commitments. It will serve as a reminder to you when something is due, so ensuring that you will never again forget an essential event or deadline. As you can see, Chat GPT-3 has the potential to significantly improve the quality of your life by simplifying and streamlining routine processes as well as offering sound guidance. Because of this incredible advancement in technology, you will have more spare time and fewer responsibilities to worry about. Therefore, why not give it a shot right now? Large language models. The Chat GPT language model is a comprehensive LLM. To effectively anticipate which word will come next in a phrase, large language models, also known as LLMs, are trained with enormous volumes of data. GPT-3 has 175 billion parameters and was trained on 570 terabytes of text. It was developed by Google. As a point of reference, its predecessor, GPT-2, had only 1.5 billion parameters, which is more than 100 times fewer. Because of this significant increase in scale, the behavior of the model has been substantially altered. GPT-3 is now able to execute tasks on which it was not expressly trained, such as translating words from English to French, with very little to no training data at all. This behavior could hardly be found in GPT-2 at all. In addition, GPT-3 performs better than models that were specifically trained to address certain problems but fail to live up to expectations in other areas. What kind of training did ChatGPT receive? To enable ChatGPT to understand dialogue and gain a human way of response, GPT 3.5 was trained on huge volumes of data regarding code and information from the internet, including sources such as Reddit debates. ChatGPT was also taught using human feedback, which is a technique known as reinforcement learning with human feedback. This allowed the artificial intelligence to learn what humans anticipated receiving in response to a question that they posed. This new method of training the LLM is groundbreaking since it goes beyond the traditional method of training the LLM to predict the following word. The goal of this work is to increase the beneficial influence of massive language models by teaching them to do what a specific group of humans want them to do. This effort is motivated by our desire to achieve this goal. Language models, when left to their own devices, will optimize the next word prediction objective, which is only a stand-in for what it is that we want these models to accomplish. According to the findings of our research, our methods show promise for building language models that are not only more useful but also more honest and risk-free. Expanding the size of language models does not automatically result in such models becoming better at following the intent of a user. Large language models, for instance, have the potential to produce outputs that are either dishonest, harmful, or simply ineffective for the user. To put it another way, these models are not congruent with their respective users. It was found that increasing the amount of data available gave the language models a greater capacity to perform more tasks. Hints and AMP, guidance for making use of ChatGPT 3. The following is a list of helpful hints and suggestions on the application of this AI technology. Make use of it to find answers to frequently asked questions. People frequently repeat themselves by asking the same questions again and over. You can generate automated responses using ChatGPT 3, which will respond promptly and accurately. Train it on a variety of different subjects. You can teach ChatGPT 3 to understand and respond to queries about specific topics by using the data that you have collected. This will assist you in obtaining better outcomes and responses that are more accurate. Connect your offering with that of other companies. It is possible to combine ChatGPT 3 with other services such as calendars, payment processors, and databases to facilitate the completion of tasks such as booking appointments or completing transactions more quickly and easily. Engage in convos that are deep and meaningful. Users will have a more natural conversation experience as a result of the implementation of ChatGPT 3, which allows for the creation of complicated conversations consisting of numerous phases. Using the power of ChatGPT 3, which can be simply accessed by putting these hints and techniques to use, can make your life much simpler. How was the video? Did you enjoy it? Post your feedback on other items that you want to learn about ChatGPT in our comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates.